Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the cube root of the given number by factorization method. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So, given numbers are 13,824, 110,592, 46,656, 175,616, 91,125. Now let us see all the numbers one by one. The first number is 13,824. So solution. So given we have to find the cube root by prime factorization method. So now let's do the prime factorization of 13,824. So first we have to do it by the smallest number, that is 2. So if you divide by 2, you will get 6,912. Further divide by 2, you will get 3,456. Further divide by 2, you will get 1,728. Further divide by 2, you will get 864. Further divide by 2, you will get 432. Further divide by 2, you will get 260. Again dividing by 2, I got 108. If you again divided by 2, we will get 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. So we know that 27 cannot be divided by 2. So we are doing it by 3. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. Again 9 cannot be divided by 2. So dividing by 3, I will get 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now let's write the prime factors of 13,824. So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3. See, here I am grouping in terms of 3 2's. Because we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. So here 2 appears 3 times, then next 2 appear 3 times, next 2 appear 3 times, then 3 appears 3 times. So for our easy understanding, I have grouped like this. Then we can write this 13,824 as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. So since all the powers are same, it's cube, we can multiply the base separately. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, the whole cube. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24. So it's 24 cube. Now we can write cube root of 13,824 as cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, the whole cube. This cube root and this cube will get cancelled. So the final answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is nothing but 24. So thus the cube root of 13,824 is 24. The next number given is 1,10,592. So now we want to do prime factorization for the given number. So first I am dividing it by 2. So I get the result as 55,296. Again I am dividing it by 2. So I got 27,648. Again I am dividing by 2. So I got 13,824. Again dividing by 2, I got 6,912. Again dividing by 2, I got 3,456. So which can be divided by 2 again. So I got 1,728, which can be divided by 2 again. So it's 864, which further divide by 2, I'll get 432. Again dividing by 2, I got 216. Again divide by 2, I got 108. Again divide by 2, I got 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Now if you come to 27, we cannot divide it by 2. So we are dividing it by 3. So the result is 9. Again 9 can be divided by 3. So the result is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we will write the prime factors of the given number. So now let's count the number of 2's first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 2's. So I have written in the form of factor of 12 2's and then 3 3's. So 12 2's we can group it into the form of 4, that is 3 2's, 2's, 2's. So we can write the given number as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. So hence all the cubes are same, we can multiply the bases. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 3 is 48. So it is 48 cube. So we can write the cube root of 1,10,592 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, the whole cube. So cube root and 3 will get cancelled. So the result will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 48. Next number given is 46,656. Now let's do the prime factorization of the given number 46,656. So I am starting it dividing by 2. So I get 23,328, which again divide by 2 I got 11,664, which further divide by 2 I got 5,832, which further divide by 2 I got 2,916, again divide by 2 I got 1,458, which again divide by 2 I got 729. So 729 cannot be divided by 2, so I am dividing it by 3. So I got 243, which further divide by 3 I got 81, again 81 divide by 3 I got 27, 27 divide by 3 9, 9 divide by 3 is 3, 3 divide by 3 is 1. So now let's write the prime factors of the given number. So we can write it in the form of 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. So I have grouped it in the form of 3's. So because we can write the perfect cube number as the factor of thrice. So 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. Since all the power is same, we are multiplying the base again. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 3 is 36. So 46,656 can be written as 36 cube. So cube root of 46,656 can be written as cube root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 the whole cube. So cube root and 3 will get cancelled. So the remaining will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So that is 36. So thus the cube root of 46,656 is 36. The next given number is 1,75,616. So I am doing the prime factorization for that number. So and I got the prime factors of this 1,75,616. So now let's count the 2's to write the prime factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 2's. So I am writing it in the form of 3 2's. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 7's, 1, 2, 3. So 7 into 7 into 7. So we can write it in the form of 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 7 cube. Since the power is same, I am multiplying the base. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 cube. So we can write cube root of 1,75,616 as cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 the whole cube. So cube root and cube will get cancelled. So the remaining will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 7s are 56. So thus the cube root of 1,75,616 is 56. The next given number is 91,125. So now let's do the prime factorization of 91,125. Since it's an odd number, we cannot start dividing it by 2. So I am dividing it by 3. So the result will be 30,375. Again I am dividing it by 3. So I'll get 10,125. Again dividing by 3 I got 3,375. Further divide by 3 I got 1,125. Again divide by 3 I got 375. Again divide by 3 I got 125. So 125 cannot be divided by 2, 3 or 4. So I am dividing it by 5. So the result is 25. So again 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now the prime factors of 46,656 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write like this, 3 cube into 3 cube into 5 cube. Since the power is same, I am multiplying the base 3 into 5. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 5 is 45. So it's 45 cube. So thus we can write cube root of 91,125 as cube root of 3 into 3 into 5 the whole cube. So this cube root and cube will get cancelled. So 3 into 3 into 5, that is 45. So thus the cube root of 91,125 is 45. Hope you understood how to find the cube root of a given number by using prime factorization method very well. Thank you for watching the video.